Today we're looking at the 2022 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 in a black exterior. This one is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our black interior, leather heated seats on both sides with our ZR2 badging up top, and of course our white stitching along the side. If we follow that stitching all the way down in the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls. And up top, we do have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Inside, you'll find our infotainment system with built-in wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. We also have our volume scroll wheel here on the bottom left. And right below that, we have our climate controls. Further down, you'll find our heated seat controls. And right below that, you'll find our SD port, our aux port, and our USB charge ports. Over here, you'll find our shifter, 2 cup holders, our wireless charging pad, and additional space here inside the middle console. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks, and down here you'll find our automatic high beam controls and our drive modes. Moving along to the right hand side of the steering wheel here, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here in the middle. We also have our cruise control settings on the left-hand side and our heated steering wheel controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our black interior leather seats with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. We also have our USB charge ports and additional storage down below, and behind the passenger seat there is a cubby with additional storage. In the middle, we also do have our cup holders and our sliding rear window. This seat also does come equipped with additional storage underneath. Just push the lever up and you'll find additional storage down below. Checking out the exterior here on the ZR2, we do have our blacked out grille. It's our Chevy bow tie badge in the corner, LED headlights and fog lamps. We also have additional paint protection along the front of the vehicle, 17-inch rims on our Goodyear Wrangler tires, running boards along the bottom, as well as tint in the rear window. We also have our hardtop tonneau cover at the back with our ZR2 badge and our spare tire underneath. If we open up the liftgate here, you'll see we also have additional storage and plenty of space inside with our spray-on bed liner for anything you might need. And that is our 2022 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 in a black exterior. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.